Good morning, everyone. This is the second series of Social Change, Tribal and Nomad Society. So, now, students, in earlier we were talking about tribal societies and what are these society. Now, we will be talking about the sources of tribal society. So, basically, now we will be talking कि आपको information कहाँ से acquire होती है कि ये tribes कौन थे, from where they came, what was their ancient history. सो वी वुड बी टॉकिंग कि कहाँ से हमें एक्वायर होती है. पहली चीज़ कि वी हैव अ वेरी वेरी लेस इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट दीज ट्राइबल ग्रुप्स. एंड वाई वी हैव दिस लेस इंफॉर्मेशन? बिकॉज दीज पीपल आर वेरी वेरी सीक्रेटिव इन नंबर्स. एंड इसके कुछ रीजन्स थे. पहला, दे प्रेफर टू लिव इन रिमोट एरियाज. जब ये लोग रिमोट एरियाज में रहने थे तो दे डू नॉट अलाउ पीपल टू कम इनसाइड एंड विजिट देम. They live in deep inside the forest, hills and deserted regions. दूसरी चीज़ है जो कि पहले भी हमने बोली थी कि they do not allow outsiders. Outsider मतलब जो उनके क्लैन से अलग लोग होंगे उनको वो अलाउ नहीं करते थे. बिकॉज दे डू नॉट वॉन्टेड कि उनकी जो फ्रीडम है एट दैट पॉइंट वो कोई और आके एक्वायर कर ले या उनकी फ्रीडम के ऊपर वो उन पर रेगुलेशंस लगा दे या डोमिनेट करने लग जाए. एंड वो अपने कल्चर को प्रिजर्व, दे बिलीव इन सब्सिटेंस बिहेवियर. बिकॉज ऑफ दैट दे वॉन्ट टू प्रिजर्व देयर कल्चर ऑल्सो. कि वो ना तो मिंगल ऑन करना चाहते थे अपना कल्चर किसी के साथ और नीदर दे वॉन्ट कि उनका कल्चर शुड स्प्रेड आउट टू द वर्ल्ड. Third thing is कि most of the tribes did not keep written records, and whenever you don't have any written records, after the demise of any clan or after the uh, destruction or maybe lesson of any clan, what happened that because of the fact they do not have any written records, their culture and religious knowledge is not spread out through any record but through the oral medium. Oral matlab even people are singing folklores or people are painting things or people are using different method to spread out the knowledge of the clan. So they did not have any records, so they were using these mediums. And जो little information which we have today वो हमारे को कहाँ से मिलती है? That we have acquired from the anthropologist. Accounts of anthropologists. So basically, what is an anthropologist? A person who study the life. Life of whom? The people of tribal society. And one more good thing about this thing that he or she may have acquired this at first hand. First hand means that he might have visited them or might have listened from their own self. Now we will be discussing about what are some dominating tribes of the Indian regions. So tribal people basically are found in every region of India. And basically many of them were the controllers of vast terrain. Terrain is a region, the land. So let's talk about some of these in the chapter. So there were Khokars and Ghagras of Punjab, Langhas and Arunghans of Multan and Sindh, Balochis of northeast India, shepherd tribes of Gadis that was in western Himalayas, Nagas and Ahoms of northeastern India, Cheros of Jharkhand and Bihar, Mundals and Santals of Odisha and Bengal, Kolis and Berats of Maharashtra Highland, and Khogra and Vetars of South India.